Combination antiretroviral therapy, ART, keeps HIV at bay, but isn't a cure. That's because HIV hides in a latent reservoir, primarily in resting memory CD4 T cells. These cells harbor inactive, hidden HIV, unaffected by ART or the immune system. If ART stops, HIV rebounds, so lifelong treatment is required. Some rare cases of HIV cure came from stem cell transplants, where donor cells lacked the CCR5 co-receptor that HIV needs to infect cells. This drastic method works by replacing nearly all immune cells, but it's risky and usually only done to treat other fatal conditions. For most people, reducing the reservoir with latency-reversing agents or CRISPR hasn't shown long-term success. Even major reductions in this hidden HIV only delay, not prevent, viral rebound. Functional cures, or controlling HIV without complete elimination, may be possible by boosting immune responses or using antibodies. Some elite controllers naturally control HIV without ART, thanks to strong HIV-specific immune responses. Scientists aim to replicate this, but challenges remain, as the latent reservoir is vast, invisible to immune cells, and capable of spreading. Until we overcome these hurdles, the goal is still to find ways to limit HIV's impact and stop viral rebound in more people.